You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, one of the most mispronounced words in English and one of the most mispronounced and confusing because of the spelling. So the British English pronunciation first is as walnut. Walnut. Yes, it's an A, but it's an O sound, much like a wall, really. Walnut. Now the Americans in the US pronounce it with a bit more open R sound. Sorry about that. Walnut. Walnut, American English. Walnut, British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.